Oh, what's up, y'all? Domino 7 here. All right. It's raining right now. Do y'all see the rain? So somebody already in the rain. Okay. Look at this bad weather. Y'all see that? Mm-hmm. Yep. All right. It's storming out here. Okay, let's go in the back. All right. Look at the back right here. Y'all see? Yep. I'm inside right now. Look like I'm outside though. Stepping in the rain. Okay. Yep, it's raining hard as heck. All right. Hurricane Laura is pushing the rain bands over. If y'all check the spaghetti models and stuff like that, spaghetti models right there. Okay, so yep, it's raining right now. Okay, I said I was gonna do my broadcast when it rains, and the rain slacking up already. How about that? But a lot, and some people so some people is parked on high grounds already. Some people parked on high grounds. There's some people parked on one of the neutral grounds on Galvez, but I don't know about our lanes. I can't step out because I don't have my umbrella, and plus I need some boots. I wish I had some rain boots. You see, I got slippers. Yep, so I got slippers and stuff like that. Look like the rain is slacking up. It should slack up right now. Oh no, it's not slacking up. Y'all see that? So it is raining hard. It may or may not flood. So the rain bands from Laura though. We outside the cone. Thank God we outside the cone. I say to myself, I'm not gonna do this live stream until it's wind and rain. You see, hard rain. You see, so I hope y'all watching though. But I'm very concerned for the people in Acadiana and Calcasieu Parish and the people in Texas. Like Galveston, Texas. Yeah, Lafourche Parish. Uh huh. So a lot of people is under mandatory evacuation. Okay. So should I do all this filming while I'm about to take my other camera out? So if y'all hit something, I'm using my other camera. Okay. So as I say, ladies and gentlemen, look at the rain. You see. So so as far as that, ladies and gentlemen, all right. So somebody from Acadiana is watching me right now. Okay. So how y'all so y'all doing out there? All right. Yeah, that was from my Facebook. The rain stopped a little bit. So I'm just filming just in case it floods around here. So I know my people is watching though. Okay, so the reason why I'm doing this one, not only because I'm doing a report and stuff like that. I'm doing this because my my family watching too. Okay, and people from New Iberia, people from Lafayette. Yeah, so some of the people from New Iberia that I knew had left already. So as far as Scotty goes, if my friend Scotty is watching this live stream, if she not watching it, she don't know what she missing. I'm doing good. So, and I don't see no buses. People passing in cars. But I want to tell y'all, be careful, okay? If there's flooded roads, y'all better not go down there. Don't be stupid enough to drive through it and stuff like that. Yeah, I'm very careful though. Okay, so it ain't flooding. So the rain is slacking up a little bit. Or is it gonna start raining again? Go inside and check my let me go inside and check to see it ain't flooded. All right, so let's cut the light on right here so y'all can see. Okay. Well, it's not raining against the door. Sometimes the water just come through there. I guess. Huh. Well, so somebody asked, did it hit yet? I don't know if it hit the coastal Louisiana, but I'm in New Orleans, sir. I'm in New Orleans, you know, so I don't think I don't think Hurricane Laura's gonna come our way. Okay, so as I'm showing y'all, so sometimes when it rain against the door, focus camera, focus. Oh jeez. But anyway, focus camera. Okay, so dang. All right. Let me see if it's gonna focus again. All right, it focused. Okay, so normally the water comes in, and one day it rained so hard. I guess it came through a pier or through one of these or something, and then it flooded this whole living room. Through here. It must have went in that closet though. It flooded through here, way up to here. I had to pick up towels. Luckily, I had enough towels. Luckily, I had enough towels. Let me cut them lights off. That's better. Okay. Okay. Lights off here. Yeah, that's better. Okay. No more light here. That's better. Oh, the rain slacked up. Sucks, but that's better. Okay. All right. So, well, it rained a little bit though. Okay. So, uh, it says it's gonna bring some heavy rain, but thank God that the power didn't go out. Not didn't upload the one hell of a night Facebook live video on YouTube yet. But I don't know when it's gonna go on YouTube. I'm talking to people on Facebook, okay. But if this video is on YouTube, then I already uploaded it, okay. Yeah, I have to wipe my camera though, okay. So so is y'all keeping y'all cool? Oh, what's wrong? I'm missing something. Well, Jeopardy is have a rerun. Okay, so I'm a oh there go my dang whatchamacallit. Hmm. All right, all right. So oh they having a look. Oh, that's my auntie on the phone. Hello, what's up? Oh yeah. 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 Okay. All right. Thank you very much. All right. All right. So anyway, like I said before, All right. So it seemed like, oh, and look, y'all, are y'all watching with me? Y'all probably watching it on. Let me see. I want to show the camera though. Let's see. Oh, look, Lafouche Parish brace for Laura. You know. Yes, indeed. Uh huh. Uh huh. So look at that. All right. All right. So about to put it on. Wait, who this is? Morgan City. That's in Morgan City. Lafouche Parish. No. And it's flooded out there too. Oh. Leave if you have to. I will. But it's all right, dude. I'm not in Lafouche Parish. I'm in Orleans Parish. Okay, that's all. You know. So I'm just here broadcasting and stuff. Facebook Live event. Terrebonne Parish. Hello, Karen Swinson. It's just like she owned the Domino 7 show. You know. Unfortunately, it's Paul Murphy. I'm glad the. Oh, look at the spaghetti models. Y'all see? Oh, look. All right, showing y'all a little something. All right. All right. So since around 4:30, as feeder bands from Laura move through, the winds are now gusting. Oh yeah, y'all see that? Hurricane Laura is strengthening. All right. And it's about a half a foot above normal inside the levee protection. And we spoke with Terrebonne Levee President Tony Alford a short time ago. All right, look at that. Can y'all see that? Pretty well. We're looking at the possibility. I might do a lot. Oh, look at that. The storm surge watches and warnings. So it's a storm watch warning. Okay, and coastal flooding warning. All right. So of the levee system in the Montague area, which look at that until 7 p.m. Thursday. Tomorrow's Thursday. All that's possible. Oh, wait. Y'all see that? It's a category 4. It just strengthening. It's strengthening, but look at that. Y'all see that? Oh, it's going way up, not way out. Y'all see that? All right. In this case, trucks to deliver rock and things like that on the outside of the levee. Oh, look at the spaghetti models. Okay, the spaghetti models is shooting the same way. At least that storm not gonna hit Houston. Thank God for that. I'm also worried about the people. Hurricane warning. All right, so let's look at Channel 6 WDSU. Okay, we're gonna check out WDSU. Closer to landfall, they say, and they still tracking Laura. Okay. Mm-hmm. Like Travis Mackle. All right. All right. Here's Gina Swanson and dang, Sola Kim. Beautiful Sola Kim. All right, let's see what's happening here. All right. All right, so we about to go outside. And you know what? It's still windy. Well, a little bit windy, you see. It's a little bit windy and stuff like that. So should we go on the back? It stopped raining a little bit. Okay, let's go check everything out. Thank God it's not flooding, and people don't not gonna lose their cars, you know. All right, so you know, thank God it wasn't heavy rain, you know. So I go out here. Thank the Lord it ain't heavy rain, you know, because it would have been heavy rain though. Hmm. Yep, look at the streets here. All right. Thank God there ain't no heavy rain. Look at the clouds up there. No sun in the sky, you know. All right. So inside we go. All right. Inside we go. Okay. So some people got their cars parked on the in the driveway here. So my word is they need to move their car right now, just in case we have a flooding. You know. All right. As y'all know, this all right. All right. All right. So rain and slacked up a little bit. You know. I may if it rain again tonight, I'ma come back on the air. Okay. So since it stopped raining, I'm gonna stop the tape. Okay. So all right, I'll be back. So if it rains hard again, I'll be back. Okay. All right. Bye bye for now.